Hello guys, good day. Welcome to the second sample problems in ODE in solving ordinary differential equation. So the problem is find the general solution of ODE y double prime plus 2y plus y is equal to sine x plus 3 cosine 2x. First no guys, hanapin natin o find first the YH or Y homogeneous natin using characteristic equation. So yung y squared, y double prime plus 2y prime plus y, gawin natin d squared plus 2d plus 1. Tapos hanapin natin yung roots. So from mode equation, ang roots natin is negative 1. So dalawang roots natin guys. So negative 1. So ang form nito guys, if ang case is negative 1 o yung roots is equal and the same, so we can write YH is equal to C1 EX, ED1X plus C2 ED2X. So dalawang roots. Since the roots are equal and the same, no? So negative negative X. Since dalawa sila guys, hindi pwedeng dalawa yung term na may um, same coefficient. So multiply natin isa ng X. So it becomes C1 E negative X plus C2 X EX. No? So, ganun lang guys, no? Dapat hindi sila walang dalawang term na the same sa YH guys. So, if the same sila guys, since pareho yung roots nila, multiply natin ng X. So, first, next is hanapin natin yung Y particular na sin X. So, itong form na to guys is sa case natin. So, nakaraang video, no? Ang case na to is alpha sin beta X. So, ang gagamitin natin na value ng D natin using the D operator method is beta I, no? Since sine, so sine or cosine, beta I ang gagamitin guys, no? So, FD or yung function natin or yung ating characteristic equation, function of D, uh, tapos yung D natin is D squared plus 2D plus 1, no? So, that becomes So, pag na-evaluate natin guys, ang resulting sagot is in a form of complex numbers. So, A plus BI, capital A plus capital BI. So, tapos, ang gagamitan natin na form to find the particular is A sine beta X plus B cosine beta X. Ganun lang guys, no? So, ngayon, try natin i-solve. Anong value ng YP natin guys? So, YP natin, since YP natin is sine X lang, so alpha niya is 1, beta niya is 1. Di ba guys? So now, we will try to evaluate ating uh, equation na 1 over the characteristic equation natin na d squared plus 2d plus 1. So, ganun lang guys, no? Sulat natin 1 over d squared plus 2d plus 1 evaluated at d is equal to beta I. So, beta natin sa equation natin guys is 1. So, I1, 1I or I, no? So, punta tayo sa mode complex guys. Sa calculator natin, punta tayo sa mode complex. Type natin 1 over dx squared, x squared plus 2d or 2x plus 1 evaluated at I. So, ang sagot is negative 1 half I. Negative 1 half I. So, since imaginary to guys, so yung real part niya is 0, tapos imaginary part niya is negative 1 half. So, ito yung A, ito yung B. Recall lang natin. So, plug in na tayo sa equation natin guys, yung YP. So, YP, A natin is 0. Sin beta X natin, ang beta natin is 1. Plus, ang B natin is negative 1 half. So, cosine beta X or ang beta natin is 1. So, from that, we can come up with the Y particular. So, the first part natin is negative 1 half cosine X. So, now let's solve for YP, yung second particular solution natin guys. Since is 3 cosine 2x, so form pa rin niya is alpha cosine beta x, no? So alpha niya is 3, beta na is 2. Alright? So, ang ating D na gagamitin, value ng D natin gagamitin is still since cosine, beta I lang. So, beta natin is 2i. So, 1 over D squared plus 2D plus 1. Tama ba? Tapos, D is 2i or beta I. Beta I. Tapos, D is 2i. Alright, guys. Tapos, guys, ito, since mayroon tayong alpha, guys, yung numerator yung alpha, ha? So, meron tayong alpha dyan. So, 3 over D squared plus 2D plus 1. So, punta tayo sa mode complex, guys. Palitan natin yun, 3. Check natin, tama. Tapos, calculate 2i. So, the resulting answer is negative 9 over 25 minus 12 over 25i. So, ito yung A natin, guys. Diba? Ang ating real part. So, pinalitan ko lang, guys, no? Kasi dapat in-form siya na capital A plus B, capital BI. So, A natin is negative 9 over 25. Tapos, yung B natin is negative 12 over 25. So, y particular natin, guys, sa cosine, that's alpha cosine beta x minus b sine beta x. So, pag medyo na-practice kayo, guys, no? Dali lang tandaan. So, alpha natin is negative 9 over 25. Cosine, ang ating b is 2x. Beta natin is 2. Tapos, negative minus, ang b natin is negative 12 over 25. So, that becomes negative 9 over 25 cosine 2x plus 12 over 25 sine 2x. So, that's our y particular number 2. So, total, guys, i-add natin yung dalawang particular kasi summation silang dalawa. So, that becomes negative 1 half cosine x minus 9 over 25 cosine 2x plus 12 over 25 sine 2x. So, the resulting y natin, guys, which is y is equal to y homogeneous plus y particular. Itong yp1 natin. Tapos, recall ko lang, ito yung ating yp2. So, yh natin. Ano ba yung yh natin? So, nalimutan ko pa na lagyan ng negative yun, guys, no? So, that's C1 e negative x plus C2 x e negative x raised to negative x yan, guys, no? So, di ko pa na-realize yan dyan. So, pero, later on, ma-realize ko rin yan. Plus 12 over 25 sine 2x. So, box natin, guys, no? Pero medyo maganda tingnan. Box natin. Answer. So, once na chinek ko kasi, bakit hindi ito siya negative x, e raised to negative x, pero may x. So, I realized na mali yung nasulat ko dun. So, that's negative x, and then that's a negative x. Palit natin ng puti, guys, no? Alright, so yan ang sagot sa ating differential equation, guys. Thank you.